Number 5 is Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is a notable contender in home 3D printing. Its advanced dual blower kit efficiently cools filament after extrusion, mitigating deformation and wire drawing during printing. The printer's build size of 300 by 300 by 400 mm and stable triangular structure, reinforced by diagonal rods, ensures stability and high-quality prints with minimal vibrations. The printer's motherboard is a silent and open-source system with TMC 2208 ultra-silent driver technology that reduces printing noise. The open-source firmware allows unlimited customization and experimentation, making the printer a prime choice for tech enthusiasts. The installation of BL Touch is also supported. The printer features a 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen display with an optimized UI interface for seamless operation. The screen is larger than those of other printers, enhancing user convenience. The display provides real-time printing information and simplifies the printing process. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to take their 3D printing game to the next level. It offers high-quality printing, easy operation, and limitless customization options, making it a top contender for the best 3D printer for home use. If you want to buy the printer right now, then check out the link in the description box to buy it. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for home use. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.